Have you ever wondered what I mean when they say ground through your feet? Now, maybe when you're standing, you can really sense you're grounding down through your feet. But then you come down to the mat, and grounding down through your feet feels a little bit more challenging. In fact, it's really easy for the feet to lift, especially as you start rolling down. So all I mean by grounding through your feet is that you're pressing as much as you can, though there's going to be more weight over your pelvis, yes, so that when you're rolling back, your feet don't start to lift. You can press through your feet either with flat feet like I am, or some people find it better to flex through and press down into the heels. So in this class, we'll be focusing a little bit more on that firm press with the feet, whether you are seated right here on the mat or whether you're standing. Now, if you happen to have any questions about words that I use to describe certain movements or Pilates in general, feel free to leave a comment below this video or any other class that you move with me. That way, I know how to help you in your Pilates practice. Let's go ahead and begin towards the front edge of your mat. Your feet can be parallel, and find that press with feet down, more intentional activation, feet to mat. Inhale here, exhale, head nods forward, and roll yourself down. Move through your back, rolling down, 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 until your fingers touch the mat, even if you bend your knees. Slide your left leg back, long, long lunge, and exhale, straighten the front leg and bend front thigh. So both legs are very strong here. Back leg stays straight the entire time. Just 2 more times, 2 and 1. Your back leg will slide to your front and switch sides. Opposite leg reaches long, long back, even if you wiggle it. And front leg goes straighter and bend. Really press maybe a little bit more into the ball of your front foot as your leg goes straighter. Just 2 more times, 2 and 1. Back leg joins front, forward fold. Take your time, roll up through with your back. Inhale once you're standing. And exhale, roll right back down. Rolling down, rolling down, rolling down. Left leg again goes back. Root your left hand down, and your right arm swings back. It does a big circle sweep around. Now you can stay with these arm circles or rotate your spine, following the arm. This is your opportunity. Breathe deeply and feel that stronger connection into your feet here. Another time here. Very nice. Back leg to join front. And right away, roll yourself up. Standing tall, inhale. Exhale, roll down. Your right leg slides back, long, strong lunge. Left arm reaches back, circle sweep around. And if you'd like, you can add on rotation. So take your time, arm, maybe the spine rotating, strong legs. And one last time here. Very nice. Back leg comes to front. Have a seat on your mat now. And right away, roll yourself down. Interlace your fingers, hands behind your head. Press into your feet as you curl head and chest up and lower down. So curling up and down. Just that little upper ab curl. And can you maybe push down with your feet a little bit more? 2 more times. Maintain upper ab curl. And now bring legs to tabletop. Squeeze legs together. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Lower shoulders down. And come right back up again. So pressing legs strongly together. 2 more times. 2. Staying up, pause. Take the legs to a straighter position. How is that for a body? And bend the knees. Lower down, we'll come back to that. For now, open your arms across from the shoulders. Inhale, rotate your pelvis to one side. Exhale, center. Press the legs together more strongly, rotate. And center. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Deep breath in. And out. One more time each side. You'll stay center this next time. And let the knees come towards the shoulders, so a small diamond shape. Curl up and reach the fingers to the toes. Legs go straight in front of you and bend. They're going to go up a little bit at a diagonal, really sensing stronger center, legs straight. 2. Now keep your legs in front of you and small open, close, open, close, open, close. Little claps together, strong legs to do this. Pause here. Bring your arms and legs up to ceiling, shoulders and head lower down. Curl up to the toes and down. Curl up to toes and down. Curl up to toes. Pause here. Press just your arms strong and up to ceiling. Arm press. And up to ceiling. Another time, arm press. Keep your arms pressing. Shoulders and head down as well as arms. And your legs arc forward and up. It doesn't matter how much they go. Maintain that so strong connection to center. Your lower back stays still. Keeping your legs forward. And now they cross and cross and cross and cross and cross. Pause the legs, squeeze heels together, legs up. Let's do that again. So reach your legs forward, and here they go. Cross and cross and cross and cross and cross. Pause, heels together, and up. One more time, forward. Cross and cross and cross. Pause, heels together, up. Bend the knees, feet down on your mat. Sliding the feet a little bit away from you. Roll up towards the feet, curling to the thighs. Sit up tall, arms next to ears. Roll yourself down. Can you press into your feet so they don't lift? As you roll all the way down, arms reach behind you. And let's repeat that. Your feet stay heavy, rolling up. Arms come up, rolling back down. So move through the spine. Arms reach. Rolling right back up. Arms up. Roll down just part way. Pause. Slide your feet in closer. Can you press them down a little bit more? Rolling down. Arms behind. Press into feet. Rolling up. A little bit more challenging. Arms up. Rolling back down. Pressing into feet. They're not lifting. Arms behind. 2 more times. Rolling up. Reach. Rolling down, arms behind. Just one more time to come up, rolling up and reach, stay up. Slide your legs just outside of your mat, bend your spine forward. Rolling right back up. And let's do that again, bend forward. Rolling up. So arms staying very straight here. Move through your back. Pause up, open your arms and rotate to one side. Hand to the outside of the knee here, free hand behind you. And slide forward, stretch. Coming right back up again. Let's do that again. Slide forward, stretch. And up. Slide forward, stretch, pause, stretch, back arm comes up and down. Your back arm comes up and down. Back arm up and now roll all the way up. Arms lift, rotate to second side. Hands come down. 3 times, slide forward, stretch and up. Breathing out. and in. Another time, staying forward, your back arm will come up and down. Your back arm to come up and down. One more time, up and rolling up. Open arms, rotate, stretch forward, coming up and center. Rotate second side, stretch. Up, through center, rotate and stretch. Press down through your heels as much as you can here. One more time each side. Very nice. Bring the legs together. So feet together in a little ball shape here. Take hold of ankles. Find this balance. And if it's easy, rock back 1/4 of an inch. Find where your feet are starting to kick up into the hands a little bit. That's where your abs will start firing a little bit more. And now roll back and up. Rolling back and up. Trying to find that more challenging part as you roll back up. 2 and 1. Very nice. Now lay onto your side on the mat. Legs slightly in front of you here. Rolling your top thigh out. Bend the knee in towards your ear. Up to the ceiling. Flex, pull down. And repeat. In, up, pressing strong down. Your bottom foot stays pushing down the entire time, intentionally so. Top leg pauses and then reverse. Up, bend in, push forward. Up, bend in, push long. 2 and 1 last time. Very nice. Bring yourself up onto your forearm. Free hand can go behind your head. Your top leg swings front, front, lengthen back. Top leg front, front, reach it on back. Still, bottom leg stays heavy and strong. Let's do 2 more times. 2 and 1 last time. 1. Very nice. Leg stays back. Both feet flexed. Free arm to ceiling. And exhale, slow rotation underneath yourself. Coming back up. Strong legs still. Rotate. And up. 1 last time, rotate. And up. Now, arm overhead, lift your hips up. Arm to ceiling, hips lower down. Hips come up and lower. Halfway there. 3 more times. You got 3. Deep breath. Now, pause, up, arm to ceiling. How does it feel to rotate here? If it's a no-go, your pelvis lowers down. Just 2 more times though. 2 and 1 last time. 1. Very nice. Lowering down. Bring the legs together. Hand to ankle. Stretch over side and reach at the diagonal and side. Reach the diagonal and side. Another time here. Diagonal, side, unwind, and switch the side that you're laying on. So legs long and strong. Bottom leg stays pushing down. Top knee comes into ear, ceiling, flex, pull down. So just think open bicycle motion here. One more time in this direction. It lowers down and you reverse. Up, bend in, push along. Up, bend in, push along. 1 last time. Very nice. Come up onto your forearm, free hand behind head. Side kick it, front, front, reach it back. So can you feel and sense the bottom leg is more actively pushing down to give you a nice strong anchor so your top leg is moving. 2 and just 1 last time. Keeping your leg back, flex through both feet, free arm to ceiling, slowly thread underneath and open back up. thread underneath, and open back up, thread under, and stay open. Lift hips, arms next to ears, graze the mat with pelvis, lifting up and down to lift, halfway there. Now, option, you can stay lifting, arm to ceiling or pelvis down, wrap underneath yourself and up. So it's a small rotation. One last time. Very nice, hips come down, bend the knees, hand to your ankle, stretch over side, and now diagonal, side to diagonal. Another time here. Very nice. Come onto your front side after that nice, strong work. Legs straight, feet heavy and pressing down, reaching your fingers to your toes. Inhale, your arms up and down. For right now, just your arms to come up and down, and arms again. Now arms and back, come up and down. Your toes stay heavy. Arms and back, come up and down. Deep breathing in, long breath out. Just one last time, up, stay here. Open your arms to the shoulders to a T. Lift your legs now. Reach your arms over your head. A big, beautiful bow shape. Up, 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 up. Beautiful. Lower down. Hands underneath the shoulders. Bring yourself up to a plank just for a breath. Right away, knees underneath you. And exhale, round through your spine. Inhale, going to natural curves, and exhale, round. Big, beautiful, open round, natural curves. Another time here, rounding through, natural curves. Very nice, hips up high, a little stretch here, stretch it out. Head releases, deep breath in. Exhale, hands walk to your feet. Hands walk to your feet. In a forward fold here. As you exhale, roll yourself up to a standing position, all the way up to standing. Once you're up, deep breath in, long breath out, and hopefully feeling so amazing after that Pilates class. A little bit more rooted, grounded into the feet to supplely move through the body. If you have any additional questions about your Pilates practice or Pilates in general, always feel free to leave a comment down below this video or other classes.